That's the Holy Grail. What is this? This business literally came out of two ladies, Carol and my business partner Pali, who isn't here right now. We kind of met together in a raw restaurant, and we had something common, and that was raising awareness worldwide. People like our food, people like the energy. We're basically selling a lifestyle, not a food, an energy, if you want. And we really work it from the core, one customer at a time. It's not just about your body, it's about the whole, you know, system, ecosystem of the Mother Earth's body. So whatever you do for yourself, you automatically do for the earth. And so it's basically one for you, one for the earth, one for you, one for the earth. You are what you eat. And we are surely no extremists. I'm not all raw. I'd like to be. I call myself a raw food enthusiast. Wellness is really something that you need to experience. Wellness is not something that you achieve out there. It's not something that a magic pill can give you out there. Wellness is something that you need to feel within. It's an experience. There are different tools to experience wellness. You know, the real change really is within, and one person, that's how we feel. I feel like I'm turning younger instead of older, and I think it has to do for sure with what you put in your body. One golden rule for me: become friendly with the color green. Green your body, green your life, green your world. You don't want to go and sit in traffic to relax. You want to go in the park where it's green. So the same thing in your body. If your cells are like traffic jams and all tight, you're not going to get relaxed by doing all kinds of other things. You're going to get healthy by eating and becoming green. It takes one moment of grace, either a book. You have to be ready. That moment in your life has to be like, when you're ready, that which you seeks you. I really believe that. So wellness really is, if you just experience a new way of being well, and you want to feel that well more often, not all the time, because you can't run a marathon overnight if you never train. It's a stamina that you have to develop. Your old habits fall by the wayside very hard, because those habits are it's like a calcification of emotions. You can't let it go overnight. So it is a very patient process.